Imagine a team of developers at a cutting-edge health tech startup, tasked with creating a software as a medical device, SaMD. This isn't just any software, it's meant to help doctors and patients manage critical health conditions in real time. It could be a mobile app that monitors heart rhythms to detect arrhythmias, or a tool that processes MRI images for cancer detection. The stakes are high, and so are the standards. For this product to reach patients, the team must navigate a complex landscape of regulations while ensuring patient safety, software performance, and continuous innovation. Pre-regulatory considerations. Defining the path ahead before writing a single line of code, the team must first answer a fundamental question: what must be done before we begin regulatory work? At this stage, the developers know their SaMD product will fall under FDA scrutiny, but how it will be classified and regulated is yet to be determined. They consult the International Medical Device Regulators Forum, IMDRF, and FDA definitions to clearly understand what SaMD means: software with a medical purpose that can operate independently of hardware. The team quickly learns that the global standards governing SaMD, including IEC 62304 for software lifecycle management and ISO 13485 for quality management systems, QMS, are not mere guidelines but essential blueprints. These frameworks will guide them through every decision, from defining user needs to managing post-market risks. Regulatory determination. Mapping the compliance route. Once they've understood the regulatory landscape, the team must determine where their product fits in the FDA's classification system. Does their SaMD pose a low, moderate, or high risk to patients? If their product helps doctors make critical decisions about administering insulin doses or detects early signs of a heart attack, it likely falls into a Class 2 or Class 3 category, necessitating 510(k) clearance or the more stringent pre-market approval, PMA. This determination shapes everything that follows. The team decides to submit a pre-submission to the FDA early on, aligning their product development with regulatory expectations. This step reduces the risk of delays and costly rejections down the road. Project planning. Setting the stage for success with a clear regulatory path in sight, the team dives into project planning. Every hour, every resource counts. The regulatory timelines dictate much of their workflow. For a Class 3 product, the team knows clinical trials will take time and money, so they budget carefully, ensuring they have the cross-functional talent, from engineers to regulatory experts and quality assurance professionals, to bring the product to market without surprises. Quality Management System, QMS. Laying the foundation. As the team begins to build the software, they understand that having a robust quality management system, QMS, isn't optional, it's a requirement. Compliant with both ISO 13485 and IEC 62304, the QMS becomes the cornerstone of their development process. The system governs everything: how they manage risks, design controls, and conduct verification and validation activities. Design planning and inputs. Building what users need. With the QMS in place, the team's next challenge is to translate user needs into actionable design inputs. They work with clinicians, reviewing real-world use cases to ensure the product meets the needs of healthcare providers and patients alike. Every requirement, from functionality to performance and safety, must be formalized and measurable. Design outputs. Bringing the vision to life. The design inputs guide the development team as they transform user needs into tangible software elements, such as algorithms, user interfaces, and data processing modules. As the design evolves, every component is tested rigorously, ensuring that the software can withstand real-world scenarios without compromising on patient safety or performance. Verification and validation. Ensuring compliance and safety. As the team nears product completion, they must answer two critical questions: did we build the software correctly? And, did we build the right software for users? Through verification, they ensure the software meets all technical specifications. Through validation, they confirm that the product will work effectively in clinical settings, meeting real-world patient needs. Compliance with HIPAA and ISO 14971 for risk management is meticulously documented to ensure both safety and regulatory compliance. Design transfer. Transitioning to real-world use. The team reaches the pivotal phase of design transfer, where their product moves from development to deployment. This phase isn't just about handing over the software, it's about ensuring that every user, whether a doctor or patient, understands how to use it effectively. Comprehensive training materials, user manuals, and support documentation are critical to ensuring the software performs as intended in real-world environments. Post-deployment monitoring, a continuous commitment even after the software is deployed. The journey is far from over. Post-deployment monitoring becomes the team's new priority. They collect real-world data, RWD, to assess the product's ongoing performance and to identify any unforeseen issues. Continuous updates, bug fixes, and performance enhancements ensure that the SaMD stays compliant with FDA regulations and remains a valuable tool for improving patient care. Patient safety and continuous improvement throughout the product's lifecycle. Patient safety remains the team's top priority. By implementing a risk management framework compliant with ISO 14971, they continuously monitor for new risks and mitigate them through updates and refinements. Real-world data is their lifeline, allowing them to make informed decisions that keep their product safe, effective, and compliant long after its initial release. This is the journey of a SaMD product, from concept to reality, a journey governed by regulations but driven by innovation and a commitment to improving patient outcomes. The result is not just software, but a tool that empowers healthcare professionals, enhances patient care, and changes lives. Through careful planning, compliance, and continuous improvement, the team ensures their product not only meets regulatory expectations but also delivers real-world clinical value.